Actually, it's pretty strong. That's, I mean, you, there was something, there was, where is this? There's no five, that's 2023. Yeah, very put it now. That's it there. That's okay. I want to move it from this flash. So I'll remove this flash from here. So we just can take another. And put it on top of it. We'll just cut it.
I've been directed that we should take 15-minute breaks. Let's just stress and just press our lips. Move around, sir. No problem. Welcome back. I think We are all welcome back from the 15-minute break. I think we can now take comments, questions based on the first presentation made by NAPRIT before the second presentation. Use the session for comments. You can view the
I am Dr. Nemeka Ndondo. Yeah, my comment is on one of the in terms of training, the approach, the strategy on training that was presented. So the presenter was suggesting that it's better to bring in experts to come to the institute and do the training. And then, of course, which is very, very ideal, very good. But I think it's two-pronged action. It's not going to only be bringing somebody to train. You should also have opportunity to have some people visit, not all people, some people visit to see the environment, see this, the work ethic, see the way the structure of things are done in the place. And you also see how they work in the environment. And then they also come and get people trained on site. So whenever you're acquiring equipment, you have to include that kind of provision. Some of the things we did, that's the way we do it. Some will be sent abroad to do the training there, and then the team will also come and do on-site training. Thank you.
I think you can take all the questions before you respond to them. Any more questions based on the presentation made by NAPRIT? Questions, comments?
Sorry, Mr. Chairman, we came late, so cannot actually ask questions directly at the presentation. But for a long time now, we've been interacting with NAPRIT. I just want to confirm how ready are they to be part of this important exercise, the issue of local production of vaccines. Their present efforts is not just like trying to. Sorry, I'm trying to sort out my words so that I don't offend you. I hope we can get your assurance that you will really be committed to. Because not just coming to talk and tell us a few things about how far you've gone with your ISO and all those things. We want action. Time is going, really. People will know it now. Other African countries will just go. I know your man is a very strong man. If you can get money for us to start local, even in that your place, you have small scale this in there, we can start something. Don't come and do Dogon 20 all the time, and then we don't get anywhere. Honestly, it's very painful. And I'll make other comments later, but I thought I should just plead with NAPRIT. If you are going to be part of this venture, make sure that you are. I will go through your presentation later and find out how, try to understand what you want to do within this local production thing. I will read to you, and I can easily get in touch with you and the DG NAPRIT. Thank you for coming. We don't always have the privilege of your presence. Thank you.
Sir? Well, any question or comments?
To what Dr. Adedazu, our elder in this hall, we want to know, are there specific candidates you are working on? Very important. And how far have you gone?
It's a very good question. More comments. If there's no comment, we'll give him chance now to respond to our questions, please.
Okay, thank you for the responses and questions. Let me start with the first speaker. I mean, the first person who gave a comment, and I agree with him. Of course, there's need also to see other people's laboratories. But what I'm saying holistically, it's good to bring people to establish your laboratory for you. I have learned that through the first molecular biology laboratory, which we established in 1998. And I realized that when we brought in someone, experts to work with us, there were challenges. And the first thing we did was sometimes you also need to put in local content. You need to adapt some situations. It's not the way it is, where the person is or where you go to learn this. When you come back home, there could be challenges. And then in such a challenge, you now begin to think of how to overcome it. That is just the reason why I said we should use that method. For my elder, he wants to know where are we, or are we really ready for vaccine, local vaccine manufacturing in Nigeria? Of course, if you all agree with me that before the coming of this DG, we are just nowhere. We are in zero position. For the fact that we were able to acquire some equipment, and then we have also set up the institute team, and also working towards and attending trainings and all that. I think is a step forward. And also the NAPID is today. The same NAPID is also saying that people should come together. To start whatever you are doing, let's put all of them together and then harmonize this together and see what everybody is doing and see how the nation can move. I think is the right step to say that we are also moving. For the question whether we have a specific candidate for now, because we have not been able to establish a laboratory, because I was saying that until we have the equipment we have for now are not enough yet for vaccine development. But we have put up a proposal with University of Sheffield, which I was saying that I'm very hopeful that by next year we should be having the grant and all the equipment that is required, including the training. In fact, in that there is going to be people will also be trained in certificated trainings on vaccine development.